I told you they were pros.
Okay, boy or girl?
Both?
You have said that I am asking. Boy or girl?
Boy.
Boy? Boy. Yeah. Okay, all should be popping out, okay?
Good pops, huh? You know what they say, right? The louder the pop, the bigger the bang. All right, you guys are ready? Whenever you're ready, go. Whoa! That was for the boy? That was boy. That was boy. Whoa! My goodness. Powerful those. Gonna give you a little more trouble. Wow, that was a perfect one. Yes.
A sweet girl.
Three. So 3, huh? Wow.
I'm Brenda, and I've been a very, very close family friend to Ransley's family. I've had the privilege of watching Ransley grow from a shy, quiet little boy to a young, confident man that's standing here today. So they say marriages are made in heaven, and met here on earth. But here in this case, it's definitely a good sense of humor. With these two of them actually in the same country from different cities, actually met in London. So to Ransley and Rachelle, may your life together be filled with joy, endless laughters, may it be full of adventure, small joys and endless stories to tell. So may you two grow old together in love, may you see this beautiful day of yours turning to silver and gold. Congrats.
Cheers.
Cheers. Well done, Brenda. Rachel, have to say in reply to the toast.
Ransley has got a really big speech, huh? Oh my god.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening.
First of all, I would like to thank God for this beautiful day and a beautiful gift. My wife, Rachel. Rachel, I would like to say thank you for saying yes and I do today at the altar. I would like to thank my mom, my dad for raising me, for giving me the values and enough discipline to keep me out of trouble. My brother, Ramanson, the best man, thank you for being with me for the last few weeks. That drove me crazy. Thank you. Anthony, my groomsman, my cousin, thank you for getting me the sweet, sweet bees. Ashwin, for that amazing, amazing sound. And Nasrik, for keeping all the boys in order. Chaos was definite. Yes. And I would like to thank Mama, Mashu, Cecia, Pinky, and the whole family for welcoming me with so warm welcome. I promise to keep Rachel protected, love, and maybe not still.
Keep your mic closer.
Yes. I'd like to thank the people who are not with us but with us spiritually. My godmother, Mama, my cousin, Rachel's cousin, and my best friend, Renwell. Obviously, they're looking down at me and be like, finally, this guy, finally. Yeah. And all my family members, my friends, my relatives who traveled all the way from UK, Dubai, Mumbai, Karnataka, USA. Yes. Thank you for coming through. Your expense really means you love me. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for me.
That's
party.
Nice.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. Your presence, love, and blessings mean everything to us. I will take a moment to remember someone very dear to my heart, my dad. Let me take a moment, please. Though he's not here with us physically today, but he's always been here. I feel his presence in every smile, in every blessing, and every prayer surrounding us. I want to thank our parents and our family for their endless love, sacrifices, and support. I feel incredibly blessed to have gained another loving family. To my husband now, you are my safe place, my best friend, and my greatest blessing. I promise to stand by you, grow with you, and choose you every single day. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of our special day.
First steps of dance as husband and wife, and we're here to witness something spectacular.
Found a love for me. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
चोय बायले मजा आता बांधता आणि मुखार कितको तो चोय 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 हा चोय चोय आता बाय चोय चोय हा चोय चोय हा चोय हेच करू पडटा बाबा हांवें हेच केलां तुगे भावानी हेच केलां हा एकला गो वाण पडय म्हाका तूं विनाका Ransley, very good. You will win in life if you do like this every time. You take care of your wife like this.
From the best.
Yes.
From the best.
Yeah, elder brother does it. लॉज ना सन कोत्ता मागीर उतर पडल्या काय भिन्न जल्दी. That is love, guys. That is love. अशें आसपा जाय. गोबायला मध्ये अशें आसपा जाय.
She walks like a lady from Africa. She talks like a lady from America. She slides like a lady from Jamaica. You see, it's a lady that I want. Lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady I Jama. बेमतलब करदा बाहों में आ बस आधी रात के लिए सजदे सी है अदा सजदे हो जाने मेरा बाहों में आ सोनिए बस आधी रात के लिए सुबह होने ना दे साथ होने ना दे एक दूसरे को सोरे ना दे अंधेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ मैं तेरा हीरो सुबह होने ना दे साथ होने ना दे एक दूसरे को सोरे ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ मैं तेरा हीरो मेरे फेवरेट song is for you. Wanna tell my song. I'm in the big wrestler. Now look at the beside me. Yo, what shall I do? What should I say, my skin? I'm in the big wrestler. Now look at the beside me. Somebody favorite. Oh, Maria Pitache. Oh, Maria Pitache. Oh, Maria Pitache. Oh, Maria Pitache. Jump on the sofa. Let's kick it.
beautiful. Okay, here we go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Wow. Okay, well done. Well done. All right, so can you make some noise for this week, guys?
So are we coming next to your wedding?
All right, you know what they say, right? The guy who gets, or the girl who
Yes.
gets the bouquet, you're next. Okay, are you next?
Yes.
No, not yet, not thought of it.
Then pass on
Yeah,
the...
he's on the market, guys. Ladies, here's your man. All right, well done. Can we get a photograph with you? Congratulations.
आमची माय
म्हाका बरयता पळय ल्हान आसतना बरयता रे
लाईट येता मोगाची माय
बिजू कडी लायल्या मास कांय दिवंक ना मास घे
तो म्हणतो मुझे हात आहे
हे कपा जाऊ ना तू घालते
पुरा पुरा माय तू हा
तू हा
तू हा तू हिरोईन दिसता मगे आयज सारखी हिरोईन
बाबा काजा झाले पाय काजा झाले पाय त्यांची काजा झालो सिमेंटचा ना माझ्या ब्लॅन्ची माझ्या ब्लॉसम घे काजा करीत पाहिजे आम्ही हॅलो गाईस काजला आमगे अनेक आमगे सोयरा घ्यायचे सगळे बडे विदिन द फॅमिली ओनली यायचं आहे
हाय गाईज
आता काजला व्हिडिओ मास्टर लेट येतलो मास्टर ओके नो
प्रॉब्लेम
ओके
थँक्यू सो मच
This is only the love that we see all around because these are the, we come after years, we meet only for this kind of events, functions and all, family, friends, all these things. And what I like is when everyone comes and says hello.
Yeah.
We really don't recognize, we really don't know. Sometimes it's like, face this change. I become from fat to thin to fat, what I did it. So it's like that. Like,
come here now we are putting on weight
yeah, one of my pants was not fitting today. It's okay. I'm not saying it. Just a joke. Everything was fitting tight. Yeah. I gel na. I jopa da. Achan jopa da. So guys, yeah. आज सारखे आता पेट डिपात आता जोपात आहे एक भूक लागली सारखे ते भूक लागले टाटा चल गो बाबा सोनिया मम्मी गो चल hey guys these are my dad's friends you know what Nitya uncle Bobby Vijay Pavula auntie
and Nadia
yeah she's always there what I'm saying is I remember when I was in I got my Nepal my dad was posted in Nepal at that time he was working over there one of the garment factories there were all the management team who was to work over there and they used to live as a family all over and I think so I just passed out 10th that time I got my 10th result and I was there on holidays that time I used to go I remember auntie used to give me like a vada and all the sambar I used to go over there we used to get all I remember that that childhood thing like I used to be spending over there your kids will be really grown up they are very I tell you things have changed drastically it's been like 14-20 years now I don't know 25 years so that long time it's been but I'm so blessed to see them all again and healthy and happy I wish them all the very best thank you
God bless.
thank you especially the uncle yes Vijay uncle thank you very much oh द्वाट तिथी तुमकां म्हणटालो पळय म्हाजो तिथी म्हणून पळय हो द्वाट तिथी हांव तेजो भाचो एंटणीचो काजन मागीर तेजो भाचो पयलो सो दीस इज माय तिथी द्वाटाक तुमी सर मजा चड फामाद तो थिंगा कळ्ळें मरे तुका एवरीवन नोज लंडनाक सर मजा चड फामाद तो
ना ही इज माय सन ओनली
चोय आयकलें
तो म्हाजो चेडोच कहो
सो इतलो मोग आहा आमकां सदांच सो यू ऑल नो दॅट व्हेरी वेल आता सारकें प्रूव केलें तुमकां हें म्हाजो तिथी म्हणून तो सगळे तुका चेडो खंय घराचो हेची आवडलो घरालो व्हडलो चेडो सगळे ते सगळे बाबा म्हणटा म्हाका कित्याक लागून व्हडलो चेडो म्हणून नांवान कोण उलो नांवान म्हणल्यार हांव उलो मारल्यार ताका चाडवता तेंचेर
द्वार तुजे तो काडलेच केक म्हणून
हय काडलेच तेजी आनी काडलेची आनी गोंया खूंय ना नॉर्थाक सोड गोंया खूंयच ना म्हाजो तिथी काडलेची करता पळय येल्ली काडलेची खूंयच जायना सो नंबर 1 काडलेची इन गोवा is duarda ge kon hobo na मेरी से सगळे सगळे खबर हा
दुआर खाली दुआर
दुआरता गेलं म्हणल्या बरोबर पावलं तुम्ही सारखे मागे तुम्ही सांगा हाय रे मागे सांगा म्हाका तुम्ही कळलं तुका मग असं तिथे
हो कसं बाबा काय
already took my tie off. Nothing is there. As of now, I'm
Suit
looking
is
at
see.
As I was telling you about the suit, how nice it is. This is half the price what I paid in UK, I guess. I'll tell you what. Never purchase any of the suits in UK. That zala inga yen gaya. Very reasonable, very cheap. No need to see for branded or anything. I said that all look branded galle. Doesn't look anything good. It's just a name. It's very nice. Uncle pade maka. Just 10,000 rupees only. और इतने बार में आऊँ इतने पड़े रहेगा और anyway कहते हैं आप तो सांपा ना anyway the wedding was amazing, absolutely good. Everyone rocked, everyone enjoyed, everything was gone good by the plan of God. Ransley Rachelle, congratulations to you both of you.
Congratulations once again.
You, God bless you all. Yeah, you all are very well matured. You all know very well. You all take very good decisions. All I'm saying is always keep supporting each other. That is all matters. Don't listen what people say about. What matters is what you guys think about.
Yes.
Because people will say a lot of things. People have their own opinions, but they are not the one who come and cook in your house. You are the one who are your bread earners. You guys are going to make for your future. You are the ones who are going to look after yourself.
The only person, the only thing you have to keep between you all is Jesus.
Yes.
As
Keep
the
Jesus
priest
in.
said today.
And always make sure fights when it happens. There's always that. We fight a lot. Yes, like but we never allow the third person to come and solve our problems. We always solve our problems by ourselves. We never let a night go without saying sorry. This is called sharing and loving. So guys, I'm just saying, always keep sharing and loving. Even if there is a fight, do not turn around to yourself. Just give a chance. One time, take a breath, go away, come back, say sorry. Everything is sorted. It just takes one matter to say sorry. Anyway, guys, so this is all I have. So I got message Let's see if there is any messages that Ransley, somebody wants to give to him. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.